So it looks, doesn't look safe. There's the people that's picking up the dirt and stuff, but look here at all the dirt here on the side. Doesn't make sense at all. Hey guys, Cape Town Audits here. I just wanted to give you guys an update as to the Lansdowne squatters and stuff like that. So as you know, when we were here, we did a foot. We walked on foot, and a lot of them were saying that they are going to be evicted on the 4th of June. They still here. They're all still here. It looks like it wasn't followed through. You guys can let me know what your thoughts on this. The train station is right here. I just thought I should come give you guys an update as to what's happening here. But it's definitely all still here, as you can see. This is how it looks. There was some type of a court order that was put out and someone sent an update to say that it's not the city, it's actually the railway people. It's the railway people that's actually putting them out your prasa. So I'm just basically want to show you how it looks here and stuff. This is how it looks. So the 4th of June was supposed to be the day where PRASA is the Railway Association of South Africa. They went to court and they actually got the court to approve the removal of all these people. This is Lansdowne. I just want to show you that Table Mountain is right here for all our international viewers. So there's Table Mountain right there. That's Table Mountain, and yeah. So I'm gonna show you how it looks. This is Lansdowne. So it looks here. This is definitely how it looks. See, there's a guy approaching the camera here. This guy just approached the camera here. He's probably trying to see what the heck we are busy with. But anyway, let's go further. Let's see what else is going on here. Yeah, so this is how it looks in Lansdowne. There's Table Mountain covered by the clouds over there. Let's just see what's going on here, guys. It was raining earlier. As you can see, the road is super wet. It was raining very badly. So here's the entrance and the exit to the train station in Lansdowne. It's quite an affluent area, not gonna lie to you guys. Here's that shacks or informal settlements where we were walking the last time. This is where we were walking. Yeah, this is how it looks here, guys. Lansdowne. I'm gonna show you how it looks. So it looks. Doesn't look safe here. Doesn't look right here. Looks crazy. Look here, guys. Just look at this now. Here's the people that's picking up the dirt and stuff, but look here at all the dirt here on the side. Doesn't make sense at all. Doesn't make sense at all. Like, what exactly are they picking up? What exactly are they picking up, guys? Just want to show you how it looks. I think they're here just for the couches. That couches, and then they're gonna leave all this dirt here. This is absolutely crazy. And this is what happens in South Africa. You know what I mean? This is what happens here in South Africa. Is that people are commenting that has knowledge. They're commenting and they're saying that the people that picks up the dirt in Cape Town and so on, they've start at 9 and they finish at 2:30. Sure, boss. Sure. Salam, bro. Sure. But I was just looking in here, trying to steal my stuff. The hell with him. Anyway, so they're saying that these people work like till 2:30 in the afternoon and they don't do much work. I don't know, you guys can comment, but look at the state of this place. Yeah, I don't know, guys, just an update. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for the support. Goodbye.